Hey, what's up guys? Today we're exploring the anatomy of the Recon kit from MyMedic. We're going over the advanced kit today, but keep in mind you can also get this in a basic kit as well. That being said, let's get into some of the features of the outside of the bag. You've got MOLLE laces up front, so you can attach stuff here. On the side you have MOLLE, you've got 2 empty pouches that come with it. On this side, again, you've got 1 extra pouch. You've got MOLLE lacing on the side as well. And then of course MOLLE on the bottom. So this is very modular in that you can add to it, you can take off and kind of customize it to however you see fit. On top, you've got some Velcro here with some daisy chains so you can strap stuff to the top. A handle here so you can carabiner this to something if you need to do that. You've got heavy duty straps that tuck right into the back. Slide those out and you've got a super easy way to carry this bag. Up front, you've got a little Velcro area here. This has a removable patch on it so you can put your own custom patch on here or whatever. So this has a ton of super convenient outer pockets. On the bottom one here, you've got your 2 ace wraps. Above that, you've got a slim little zipper pouch here, 2 CPR shields. So you've got 2 different size MPAs in here, or nasopharyngeal airways. In the pouch above that, you've got all your ointments and salves. Again, we're going through the advanced kit on this one, so you've got your meds and your advanced meds on this one. Above that, you've got your top pouch here, holding your tape and your sensor wrap. You've got your quick clot hemostatic dressing, chest seals, and your emergency trauma dressing. Moving into the main compartment itself, there are several pouches and pockets and everything, so it does stay organized. I'm just gonna start pulling stuff out so you guys can check out what's in here. All right, so up top, you've got a mesh pocket up here with the zipper. In there, you'll find your emergency whistle, your Band-Aid module, so all different kinds of shapes and sizes of Band-Aids. You get some super skin in there as well. Your electrolyte tabs. You have 2 different size sutures. You've also got some secure strips in there for wound closure. Along with those sutures, you get your equipment like your needle pullers, scalpel, things like that. Thermometer, pen light comes in here, large trauma shears, and you also have your liquid skin in here. Tourniquet, you've got your burn module, so several size burn dressings in there. 20 feet of paracord, which is super handy. You've got your chem light or glow stick in here. You've got irrigation solution in here for wounds, your eyes. You've got your gauze module, so 2x2s, 4x4s, gauzes of all sizes in here for treating smaller wounds. Triangular bandage or cravat, 2 finger splints, full-size splint. You get 3 emergency blankets in here. Several sets of gloves, instant cold pack in here as well. You've got your glucose. And finally, your wipes module. So hand sanitizer, ammonia towelettes, all those things come in this convenient little module as well. So as you can see, this is a very complete kit. I'm a huge fan of this one. It's got everything from bumps and bruises all the way up to life-saving equipment like tourniquets and hemostatic dressing. So that is it for the Recon, guys. Just an outstanding kit from MyMedic. Thanks for showing up and stepping up your first aid game. I'm your guide, Billy Haley, helping you stay alive.